How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 72 Chevelle SS. Super nice car. All original body panels, done in flame orange with the black SS stripes, black top. This thing's got a 496, makes 635 horsepower on pump gas. The bumper's real nice. They've all been replaced. Car's super slick down the sides. The black vinyl top looks real good on the car. It's got your chrome Rev Classics, 17-inch. The rear bumper looks real nice. It's been replaced or re-chromed. All the panel fitment on this car is very nice. Got a full 3-inch exhaust, all mandrel bent all the way out the back. Got 12-bolt posi in it, 400 turbo trans. Saying this is a factory flame orange, gorgeous car. Again, this is a 496, got aluminum heads, roller cam. Got your air-gap intake, Holley 900 carb. Got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Got all your serpentine pulley kit. Heavy duty aluminum radiator. I tell you, this thing just pounds the ground. And it is just an absolute blast to drive. Got a 400 trans. See how nice and clean the doors are. The door panels in this car, I believe, are the originals, as well as the dash. It's had all new seat covers and headliner. Headliner's real nice and tight. It's got the factory radio in the dash, but it does have a AM/FM CD stereo mounted in the glove box with remote. It's got your factory bucket seats, center console. See, all the jams are real nice. This car's got show quality paint on it. This car's been painted about 6 years, and it is super nice. See, the trunk floor is all real nice in the car. It's got your color-coded fire extinguisher. Got all the paperwork for the motor and a lot of the other stuff on the car. It's got your factory jack and spare. I tell you, it's just a super nice car. Black vinyl top, real nice. Looks just like new. And real nice mounting in the glove box there with the radio. Just a super nice car. Clean, solid, original panel car. straight up. Hey, this thing just pounds the ground, runs on pump gas. Backup lights, everything on the car works. It's just a super nice car, guys. Straight as an arrow, show quality. Check out a complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.